Get the co-pilot in the back here. Take for a little run in the woods, trying the Jeep out after doing a little work. The front end and the muffler. It's a little loud. What are you gonna do? We're gonna go up a pretty good hill. Just a four-wheeler trail now. Oh, yes. What are you doing back there? Back. I need to watch the road, bud. Logs on it and everything. Let's get in the woods. Jeez. Good thing these old vehicles had tough paint, eh? What do you think, dog? Come on up. There you are, bud. We're getting out right up here, buddy. It's a little tight. Squeak! What paint? What paint? Here's our goal, right up here. I think we're gonna bail out. Going to pick up a giant fossil I found. Now we'll turn and come back now. Yeah, no wildlife. Nothing to be seen anyway. Except this fella. Hey, big boy. We'll get out and take a look.